So let me take the folder. 143, 144 is completed. See, I'll make it 146. Just give me a second, please. Let me create one folder. Batch 145. This is 8 a.m. WMS batch. This is old batch. Let me move from here to old files. Just give me a second, please. The old batch I'm moving. Now new batch 145. So I hope everyone know about me. Okay. If not, let me introduce myself just in 2 minutes. Okay, I have total 25 years of experience in ERPs, in different ERPs. In that 25 years experience, I have around 16 to 17 years in Microsoft Dynamics. Initial 8 years, I have worked in another ERPs. I worked in AX 2009, 2012 and D365. I worked in AX 4.0 also, except of 4.0 also, but very limited, except of. But all versions of AX 2009, 2012 and D365 I am working. Okay, from year 2008 onwards, 8, 9 onwards, I'm into Microsoft Dynamics world. I worked as a different roles. Okay. Like a functional consultant, junior consultant, senior consultant, lead consultant, principal consultant, senior solution architect. Like this, I have worked and different support projects, implementation projects, and customized projects also I have worked. I'm a certified trainer. Microsoft certified trainer means I used to provide trainings to corporate trainings like Accenture, Cognizant, Cognizant and Capgemini, and like so many companies I have delivered trainings. So companies like Capgemini and Cognizant and Accenture I have delivered. In this year, I have delivered to these three companies. And I will deliver to Global Knowledge, also one of the training institute platform. In that also I used to provide trainings. There are many. Okay, I'm a certified trainer. Okay, and now coming to this one. Give me a second. So I used to provide trainings for all these 5 modules: finance, trade and logistics, SCM, supply chain management, trade and logistics, advanced warehouse management, manufacturing, and then PMA, project management accounting. All these 5 modules I used to provide training. I know some extent little bit about retail, but I will not teach these two, and these two also I'm not teaching. Okay. Now you joined for this session, advanced warehouse management session. In this advanced warehouse management session, you are going to learn advanced warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost, advanced inventory management, maintain charges. All these 5 topics. So warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost. These 3 are modules. Advanced inventory management is subset of inventory management. It is a part of inventory management you are going to learn. And maintenance charges are part of accounts payable module that also you have to learn. All these things you are going to learn. Initially, I will explain you in the existing company USMF. I used to provide training first initially in the company USMF. Later, I will create one new company, one new legal entity, and then I'll do setups related to minimum setups related to finance, minimum setups. That means general ledger, accounts payable and accounts receivable. You need to map it. Next, I will map related to inventory management and product information management, procurement and sourcing, and sales and marketing. Minimum setups, whatever it is required, that we need to configure in the new company, new legal entity. Then I need to do all the setups related to these modules like warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost. Meaning, I will teach you in the new company also, not now, in future. After 1.5 months, I will create a new company and I will do all the transactions in the new company also. Indirectly, it is a sample project you are going to learn. Okay, this is the way I'm going to teach you. Fine. Any questions, please? And one more thing, if you are paying fee one time, you can join second time free. I will not charge any single rupee. Within 6 months to 8 months, you can join free of cost, second time free. I'm not going to charge any single rupee. Okay, second time free. Okay, so the session will be morning 8 to 9, the same timings, 8 to 9 a.m. IST. And this will be Monday to Friday. So the session will be like this. Warehouse management. So it will be 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. And Monday to Friday. The session will be Monday to Friday. Okay, this is around 3 months. The course will be around 3 months. It may be extended few more weeks also. But tentatively it is around 3 months. So it will be around 50 hours. It may be more, but minimum for 50 hours it is required for me to teach you all these things. Okay. Any more questions, team? Anyone have any questions?
Hi, sir. So,
Yeah.
is there any change in timing, sir?
No, it is not possible.
Okay.
For me, because I'm fully occupied with some other activities, I cannot modify the timings.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Yeah.
So, do we have a class on government holidays?
Sorry.
Do we have a class on the leaves, holidays, government
So
leaves?
that is completely based on your request. Means
Okay.
I will tell you here. Suppose out of 10 members, 2 members want leave. Okay, even though 2 members are expecting leave, I'll give leave. It's not like majority. At least one person is asking, I want leave because it is a holiday. I'm planning to go outside long weekends. Am I right? Then I want to utilize it, so I will give leave. Even if it is one person is asking. If no one is asking, I will continue. On
Okay,
holidays.
sir.
On holidays, usually I will conduct the session. But if anyone is objecting, yes, my festival today, I want leave. Then I will cancel the session.
Okay.
Okay? That is
Yeah.
at least one person. If one person is asking, I will cancel. Any more questions,
Okay, sir.
please? Yeah. Any more questions? Okay, fine. No questions. Now, advanced warehouse management means, what is advanced warehouse management? Warehouse management or advanced warehouse management? What do you mean by this warehouse management? Means, let me show you. This is warehouse. In this warehouse, what are the activities? What are the activities? What people will do in this warehouse? simply they will carry on material from one place to another place. They will move the material from one place to another place. So in the warehouse management, the activity in the warehouse is moving the material from one place to another place is the activities. So this activity is called work. This activity is called work. So moving from one place to another place is called pick. The material from location and put the material in another location. Pick the material from one location and put the material in another location. This is the activity. And from one place to another place, that first one place is called from location, and this location is called to location. Or this is pick location, this is put location. Is the activity done by these people. That task you are learning now. You are learning work, how to create work and how to complete the work. So the task is how to create work and how to complete the work. How to complete work. This is warehouse activity. This activity you are going to learn today. Okay. And I hope everyone know about in this module sales process and purchase process. You should be aware of that one at least. One is sales order process, one is purchase order process. Okay, if anyone don't have at least knowledge on sales order process and purchase order process, it is very difficult to understand this advanced warehouse management. So my suggestion, if anyone is not learned this module, then better to learn this one first, then you can join for this one. I know most of you, everyone is already having this knowledge, minimum knowledge, sales order process and purchase order process. Yes, please, Parka.
Hi, Satya. Good
Yeah.
morning.
Good morning.
Satya, while teaching the advanced warehouse, you will be telling us what's the difference in the simple and the advanced? What functionality can be done in the simple?
Yeah. Just there are three comparisons. One is, see, I will explain you like this. In the
Okay.
coming session, you are going to learn. Let me go to the old one, old batch, whatever I have explained. In this Excel file, you will understand the comparisons.
Yeah.
Normal process without pallet. Pallet and license plate both are there. This is with pallet. This is with license plate.
Okay.
These three comparisons. Same sales order process. No pallet, no license plate. Plain scenario, which you are going to learn this one in this module. But here you are going to learn warehouse management, advanced inventory management. This also you are going to learn. That is this one, advanced inventory management and advanced warehouse management. So that you will understand the comparisons.
Okay.
Okay, but not now. Slowly you are going to learn. Okay.
Yeah.
And you are going to understand the advantages of transportation management and landed cost also. Here, I will discuss with you about landed cost module also. Okay, and then sales returns also, the comparison. Transfer orders also comparison. and purchase returns. There is no much purchase returns for this.
Okay.
You will understand all these comparisons so that you can understand in depth. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Thanks.
Let me go back. Yes, please. Any more questions, team? Anyone? Okay. So if you want to understand advanced warehouse management, as I told you, work should be created, work should be completed. This is the actual activity in the warehouse management. Fine. Now, for this one, we will learn first in the existing company, USMF company. Later, you will understand another company, new company, later on. Now, I'm creating a sales order. The first screen I'm keeping product information management, products, released products. So here I'm taking A0001. I'm taking A0001. Item is equal to A0001 and warehouse is equal to 24. Why? Warehouse 24, A0001. Why I need to select this one? A0001 or A0002. A0001 or A0002. These two are storage dimension group is mapped like this. So use warehouse management process enabled. So in this location, inventory status, license plate, all are enabled. Okay, that is the reason we need to use it. Otherwise, if it is any other than these items, normal items, for this, it was not enabled. So you have given instructions to the item A0001. You have configured the item A0001 in such a way that you are going to use advanced warehouse management. So it is must you need to use A0001. A0001. Okay. Next, warehouse. Inventory management, collapse all, setup, inventory breakdown, warehouses, warehouse 24. Warehouse 24 is warehouse enabled, warehouse management enabled process. That means you are going to use advanced warehouse management. Whereas this one, you are not going to use it. So warehouse must be 24. Okay, some more also maybe, but this is 24 is advanced warehouse management enabled functionality. So I'm taking duplicate. So item A0001, warehouse 24, I'm doing this. Now I'm creating a sales order. Sales and marketing, collapse all, sales orders, all sales orders. Now, and one more thing I want to tell you here. See, practice. During training session. What do you mean? For these modules, only I will teach you need to practice these 4 modules. But this one is during the training, you need to present your screen and you need to practice in front of me. Why? These things I'm teaching only. But I'm making you here, you need to practice. The reason behind warehouse management is a very complex setups. Okay. And if you are joining my session, live sessions, and you are leaving without practice, then you will never get this subject. So practice is most important for this module. That is the reason you need to present your screen. You need to present your screen and you need to practice in front of me, in front of everyone. So if you are doing mistake, your colleagues will help you. Suppose Gokul is practicing, Barka will help you. Barka is practicing, Gokul will help you, or Satish will help you. Like this, it is, you need to help each other in the training sessions. Because the problem is, for this one, only if you are listening, you cannot remember forever. The setups a lot. So many setups and configurations. It's very difficult to remember the setups and configurations. Okay, so practice also mandatory session in this only WMS sessions. In the advanced warehouse management only, I'm making you practice. But remaining 4 like finance and SCM or PMA and manufacturing, you need to practice yourself. I'm not doing in the sessions, but this one you need to practice. Fine. Now let me proceed. I'm creating a sales order. Click on new. Select the customer. Any customer is fine, but don't select DA001. DA001 is a intercompany stock transfer setup. Don't select that one. You can select any customer. Select warehouse. As I told you, warehouse must be 24 warehouse. Click OK. Select the item A0001. I told you item A0001. Now 2 quantity. Enter the price, unit price. So let me enter unit price here, the sales price. I'm entering here 300 sales price and purchase price. I'm entering 200. Yes, please. Okay, fine. So now, as soon as if I select item, it will capture sales price 300. Okay, so first step is sales order creation. I'm taking duplicate. Sales order creation. Let me enter the date. 2nd June 2025. A sales order creation. While creating sales order, I have selected warehouse equal to 25. Warehouse is 24 and item is equal to A000. Next, reservation is mandatory for the advanced warehouse management. For this advanced warehouse management, reservation is mandatory. So let me go back. Update lines. Sorry, here inventory, reservation, reserve lot. Okay, reserve. So the second step is reservation. Next step is release to warehouse. Release to warehouse. So warehouse tab, actions, release to warehouse. Okay, if you click on release to warehouse, what happens? In the back end, it is created so many things. Shipment created, wave created, wave processed. Okay, so here shipment created, wave created, and wave processed. Okay, these terminologies you will understand. Because wave is processed, then work will be created. From wave process, work will be created. So what is this processing wave? You will understand later. Shipment created, wave processed, and work will be created. Okay, this is some wave template, some functionality is there, wave template that you will understand later. Now shipment is created in the back end, load also created. So all these terminologies, what is shipment, what is load, what is wave, what is work, everything you will understand in the coming sessions. Okay, now wave created. So how can I see where it was wave is created, work is created? Work is created means, so here shipment created. We need to go to shipment. So warehouse management process, warehouse management, collapse all, shipments, all shipments. Okay, if you open this shipment, look at this one. The sales order number is 1140. Here also it is there 1140. We can open this one. So in this, work is created. Okay, so the process is shipment created. If you click on release to warehouse button, if you click on this release to warehouse button, shipment created, wave created, and wave processed. If it is wave processed, automatically work is created. Now we go to shipment. It is in WMS. Shipments, all shipments. Here you can click on work details. You can click on work details. Then you can find work is created. So how it is creating, you will understand later slowly. Now, as I told you, pick the material from floor 001, put the material in Bedo. Pick the material from floor 001, put the material at Bedo. Okay, that activity we need to do it. So who will do it? These forklift operators. These guys will do it. Okay, sometimes they are just pulling this one. Okay, another one is they may use like these missions. Okay, majority times they are not very well educated people. They may not be. Sometimes some people are maybe educated, some people may not be educated. So they don't know how to handle this application. So we will not give this laptop to them. We cannot give. They are not very much strong in utilizing these laptops. They are not strong. But they nowadays everyone is strong in utilization of mobiles. So we will give mobile to them so that they can do their activities. Using mobile, they can do their activities. Now, here I'm giving duplicate mobile. How it is? This is action colon WHS executive. This is a virtual mobile. This is a virtual mobile. Okay, here I'm sorry, equal to action colon WHS work execute. Action colon WHS work execute. If you type like this, action colon WHS work execute, then mobile device, this form is only intended for testing purposes and is not supported in production scenarios. It was clearly mentioned. This is available for test scenarios for practicing purpose, not in the production servers. So I'm entering username 24, password 1. Click login. So here there is a menus. These menus are, we are going to configure in the new company. In the new company, we are going to configure here warehouse management, setup, mobile device menus. We need to create. This is we are going to create in the new company. Next, mobile device menu items. We need to create. Okay, we need to create mobile device menu items. Fine. Now, here, this is sales process means outbound process. Sales picking. Now, in reality, we need to scan license plate. Scan license plate. But we don't have scanner. Actually, mobile will be given to them. That mobile is like this. They will have these mobiles. Okay, they will scan using this mobile, they will scan it. Simply, they will scan it. But we don't have mobile scanner at present. So we are entering manually this work ID. Manually I'm entering. But in real-time scenario, we need to scan license plate. Okay, thank you. So we have to select work ID. See, in real-time scenario, we need to scan license plate. But we don't have scanner at present. We don't have mobile resale. The real mobile scanner we don't have. So that is the reason we are entering manually. Click OK. Now license plate number. So in the release product, manage inventory, on hand inventory. Click on display dimensions. Select location and license plate. Click OK. Now we are doing for warehouse 24. Let me filter by 24 warehouse. Here the work. Pick the material from FL001. So in FL001, we have the license plate number 24. We have the license plate number 24. So let me enter this 24 license plate number. Click OK. Then target license plate, you need to enter manually. Suppose I'm entering 02 June 25-001. Click OK. Now look at this one. Pick is in process. If I refresh, it is in process. Picking is completed. Picking is closed. Now it is moved to the actual location wherever it is dispatched. Click OK. Now work is completed. Work is closed or completed. So using mobile device, work completed or work closed using mobile device. Next, we need to deliver the material. So deliver the material to the customer means packing slip, post packing slip. So this post packing slip we will do from here shipment. In the shipment, generate packing slip. So it is generate packing slip. Okay, now the button is disabled. For this, you need to confirm shipment. Yes, shipment is confirmed and it is going to be dispatched. You need to click on confirm shipment, then generate packing slip button is enabled. So you can use packing slip. Click OK. So it is giving option. You are about to post the document without printing. In real time scenario, we need to have a printer connection. We need to have a printer connection. We need to take a printout and we need to submit this document to your customer as well as truck. With the truck, it will be traveled. So click OK. For practicing purpose, I don't need any printing. Now it is dispatched. So dispatched or delivered. Now invoice to the customer. So that invoicing is from sales order. So here accounts receivable clerk. He will open the sales order from here. And he will open this because it is delivered. So accounts receivable clerk, he will open this sales order and he will generate invoice. Now also it is asking you are about to post the document without printing because you need to generate invoice printout and you need to submit to your customer. So always it will give you alert message, take a printout, take a printout. For practice and purpose not required, I'm proceeding. So from the sales order, we can generate invoice. Is it clear? Any questions, please? This process. Any questions? No questions? Okay, let me show you one more transaction, same sales order process. How to do it, let me show you. Okay. Sales and marketing module. Sales and marketing module. Collapse all. Sales orders, all sales orders. Click on new button. Select the customer. Select warehouse 24. Click OK. Select the item A0001. We have created. Next, you need to click on save button. Auto save will not work. You need to save. You need to click on save button. Next, reservation is mandatory. It is must. You need to do reservation. Reserve lot. So this is second step. Sales order creation and reservation is mandatory. So we have selected warehouse 24, item A301. Next, we need to click on release to warehouse. Warehouse tab, actions area page, warehouse tab, actions area page, release to warehouse button. Then here shipment created, wave has been created for the shipment, wave has been submitted. Shipment created, wave processed, work will be created. Again, shipment, load also will be created in the back. Okay, fine. Now we can go to shipments. In session no 9 o'clock. Okay, sorry. Just give me 1 minute, please. Fine. Now, so here in this one, shipment created. Let me go to warehouse management. Shipments, all shipments. So here sales order number is 1141, already created for sales order number 1141. Shipment created. So in this shipment, you can find load ID, wave ID, and work details also there. Work is in open status. Work is in open status. So we need to copy the work ID. Okay, so actually this work should be finished by the like forklift operators, these guys. These forklift operators, they will finish it. So whenever they are doing, they are finishing this task, so they will be given mobile. So for that, we are opening mobile device. We are opening mobile device. Okay. So like this. Action : WHS work execute. If you type, this is virtual mobile we are doing. Yeah. Someone is raising hand. Yes, please. Shiva. Shiva, do you have any questions, please? Shiva?
Yes, sir. So while doing this work process, right? Let's say this A001 item is not having quantity. So in that case, system will automatically create any transfer orders or purchase orders, sir?
No. You need to do it.
Okay.
You have to do it. That is not possible. So that is through, normally you can do it like purchase process, or you can use master planning. Using master planning against demand, you can create. That master planning is not in our course in this training session. Master planning is here or here. Master planning I will teach in the manufacturing, or I will teach in the SCM trade and logistics, but not here. Using master planning against demand, it can create planned orders. Otherwise, you can create manually purchase order process, but system will not do anything. For practicing purpose, if you want to do inventory adjustment journal, you can do it for practicing. But in real time scenario, no, you need to purchase the material. Otherwise, you need to produce the material if you are doing production. Yeah. Any more questions, please? No questions. Fine. So now using mobile device, these forklift operators, they will do it, because laptop is for them, it is a little bit complex. Rather than that one, mobile is a flexible. Nowadays, everyone can handle it. So username is 24, password is 1. In 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, you need to log in. So it is outbound process, sales picking. Now you need to copy the work ID and we are pasting here. But in real-time scenario, we need to scan the license plate. That is the scenario. But we don't have mobile scanners at this point, because in real-time scenario, you are going to use this mobile scanners. You are going to scan it like this. Fine. Now we are entering manually. License plate number. It is on-hand inventory. Warehouse filter by warehouse 24. License plate number is 24, because the work here pick from FL001. So this is FL001 from here. So if you verify the work, it is in process. Work is in process. So now you need to enter this license plate number, whatever it is there. 24 I'm entering. Click OK. Now target license plate. What is this target license plate means? Whenever you are doing here, you are taking material from here and you are putting here. So this wooden plate here, the material is there. In this 4 or 6 or 10 items, you are taking one item and you are putting here. So for this one, whenever you are taking from here, you are putting here, then you need to capture this license plate number, this pallet ID number. That license plate number you are entering. Click OK. So pick is completed. So it is pick closed. Once his task is completed, what he will do? He will click on OK. Everything, this entire task will be executed from mobile device, virtual mobile. Okay, this is a virtual mobile. Now if I refresh, it is closed. It is closed. Now work is completed. Now you can go back. So you need to do confirm shipment. Confirm shipment. Then it is shipped. If you do confirm shipment, then these buttons will be enabled. You can use bill of lading or packing slip or send ASN. Either one you can use it. So now I'm using packing slip. So click OK. Click OK. Once packing slip is updated, now accounts receivable clerks, they will open from here, orders, sales orders. So it was delivered already by warehouse department. They have delivered, dispatched. Now they will open this file. And I'm doing invoice, generate invoice. So click OK, and it will be financial postings will be updated properly. Financial postings will be updated properly. This is about sales order process. Okay. Any questions about this process, sales order process? Any questions?
Hi, Satya.
Yes, please.
So can we generate the pick list for this sales order?
Actually, whatever you are doing, this is pick list only. From here to here, you are doing picking process in a lengthy manner. So if I go to the old training, let me go to my old trainings. Old batches. Give me a second. It is 133 batch. So in the sales process, in simple words, you are doing pick in single step. Here you are doing so much steps. This comparison I will teach you in the coming sessions. Okay, this is pick process only. Instead of picking in single step, you are doing all this process. Clear?
Thank you. Thank you.
So I'm
So one more
stopping
thought,
recording.
Satya. So
Yeah, yes, please
regarding
proceed.
products, release products,
Hmm.
you showed the combination, right? Storage dimensions. So
Yeah.
in one entity, we can use the products, both the combinations, right? With the inventory status and license plate option, and the other with the normal without using this license
In
plates.
other legal entity, other warehouse.
Same entity, different products. Some items are with pallet IDs. Some items
Few
with
items you want, few items normal warehouse. For few items you want advanced warehouse management. Am I right?
yes.
Yes, it is possible. Yes, but usually that confusion will not be maintained. Usually it will be in single warehouse. They will keep it either advanced warehouse management or normal warehouse. Yes, system will not have any restrictions. If you want, yes, we can use it for few items. For few items, it is like advanced warehouse management. For few items, normal warehouse process. Yes, you can use it.
Satya,
Yeah,
one
this is
question
for
on this.
space.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh,
Sorry.
Sorry,
Yeah.
one question on this. If one
Yeah.
item is under one entity having two warehouse, one is advanced, one is the production, which is on the simple. So
Yes.
we can use the both the configuration
Yes.
with
Yes. We can
license,
use
without
it.
license. We can use.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We can use it because in the combination, whenever you are taking warehouse, if it is
Hmm.
advanced warehouse management combination with the advanced warehouse management item, then it is a advanced warehouse management. If you are selecting warehouse, normal warehouse with advanced warehouse management item, then it will behave like a normal warehouse.
But with the same item, huh? Because item
Yes,
is
same item, same
configured as
item. Those
entity.
combinations,
Okay.
we are going to practice in the real-time scenario. Like in the training, we are going to execute all these scenarios.
Okay.
I will show you practically. It is possible, and this will not create any problems.
Okay.
It can be possible. Those scenarios will execute in the system. I will execute, and you also going to execute in the training session. Okay, fine. Any more questions? Any
Sir,
more
actually,
questions?
yeah, on
Yeah.
doubt. You are asking us to enter that action warehouse execute and a URL. Is there any proper navigation is there?
Proper navigations means, can you please repeat? In real-time
That
scenario, you are going to use mobile, actually, mobile
okay.
scanner. You are not going to
Mm.
use this one. The business user, they will use mobile scanner because for practicing purpose, for learning purpose, you don't have that mobile scanner. We cannot purchase. We cannot do anything. That is the reason Microsoft has given as a workaround solution to practice.
Okay.
Got it?
In which module that mobile stimulator will come? In which
It is
module
advanced
is
warehouse
in?
management only. Warehouse management only. Advanced warehouse management.
Okay.
That is advanced warehouse. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Any more questions, team? Any more questions? Just give me a minute, please. I'm stopping recording. Just give me 1 minute, please.